Genetics. Topic for discussion: Pleiotropy. What does pleiotropy mean in biology? Pleiotropy refers to the phenomenon of a single gene affecting multiple traits. The term pleiotropy comes from a Greek word that means various ways.
Two most common examples of pleiotropy are sickle cell anemia and phenylketonuria. Let's see each of them in details. In sickle cell anemia, the red blood cells look like sickle. To relate better, you can see what a sickle is on the right side. On the left you can see the normal red blood cells, circular, biconcave shape, and the sickle-shaped red blood. Sickle cell disease is caused by a single-point mutation, a missense mutation, in the beta hemoglobin gene that converts a GHE codon into GUG, which encodes the amino acid valine rather than glutamic acid. So, why is the sickle cell anemia considered a pleiotropy? That's because the effects of sickle cell anemia include high blood pressure, eyesight loss, organ damage, and strokes. That is multiple defective traits due to one-point mutation in one gene. In sickle cell anemia, RBCs become sickle-shaped. The membrane becomes porous and allows the leakage of nutrients from the cells. These cells are destroyed fast along with the organism present in it. Hence the malaria-causing pathogen Plasmodium cannot survive inside the sickle-shaped cells, therefore conferring resistance to malaria. Therefore in Africa where sickle cell anemia is prevalent, it provides immunity against malaria.
Phenylketonuria, also called PQ, is a rare inherited disorder that causes an amino acid called phenylalanine to build up in the body. PQ is caused by a change in the phenylalanine hydroxylase, POF. This gene helps create the enzyme needed to break down phenylalanine. Without the enzyme necessary to break down phenylalanine, a dangerous buildup can develop when a person with Q eats foods that contain protein or eats aspartame, an artificial sweetener. This can eventually lead to serious health problems. PQ is an autosomal recessive metabolic genetic disorder. As an autosomal recessive disorder, 2 PQ alleles are required for an individual to experience symptoms of the disease. For a child to inherit PQ, both the mother and father must have and pass on the defective gene. Mutations in the PAH gene renders the phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme non-functional. This enzyme is necessary to metabolize the amino acid phenphylalanine to the amino acid tyrosine. When PA activity is reduced, phenylalanine accumulates and is converted into phenylketone, which can be detected in the urine. So due to the accumulation of this phenylalanine in the brain results in mental retardation. The other symptoms are fair skin and blue eyes because phenylalanine can't transform into melanin. This is the pigment responsible for hair and skin tone. Abnormally small head, eczema. Delayed growth, intellectual disability, microcephalic disability. Microcephalae, that is a small head, and some neurological problems. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.